Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer money one country to another country using key currency platform. So how to use it, where is available, what is the advantage, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab, just simply type key currency and enter. So look at this here, first link is displayed here. The originally headquarter based on UK, Great Britain, key currencies provide a great rate, no banking fees and professional friendly services. You can take advantage, highly compensative rate and zero hidden fees. It's really good. We can click here. I already added this link in video description as well. Look at this here. Trustpilot are providing 5 out of 5 star of this platform. That point of view is really amazing. Here some of the informations are available. Great exchange rate, no fees, and some explanation. Trustpilot reviews also available here and some other information. So we can simply search here as a euro because of I am earning from euro. So from euro to send as a different currency like a Canadian dollar, US dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand, Japanese yen, South Africa, Swiss franc, Danish krona and some other countries. Not so many in Asian countries, just we consider as like a euro to US dollar or Canadian dollar, and how much amount I am sending under 5,000 euro, and we need to add here email address at gmail.com and you need to put it here, name and get code. So if I am just doing this process, how much money I am receiving, thank you. Before, just once you query expect, we will contact you shortly. You're free, live on quote. Before start anything, we just simply open here account. Tell me about account, personal or business. So I go with personal and fulfill your all information here. Nationality Denmark, you put it here, your date of birth. Do you need to join account? No. Next, agree, submit the button. Application is complete. Thank you for your application. We confirm as send you in keychain processing application. We will touch you soon. Everything is ready and get start. So I am receiving one of the email here also. So look at this here. Thank you so much for confirmation email keychain. We will touch you soon as ready to get start. After receiving this email, within a 1 or 2 minute, key currency, one of the customer are calling me and asking me entire process, where you earning money, what is your name, why you are sending this money in Canadian dollar, and who is the receive this money. So they are asking me entire information. They are asking me my account number, transferer receiver account number. They asking me entire process, and accordingly run time they convert my euro to Canadian dollar and then they send the process. I discuss with the customer here little complex. They asking entire information and they transfer with your permission, but sometimes is online calling, someone are calling you and then we are sending the money. It's risky as my point of view. That's why I'm not choosing the key currency platform. If you send some money one country to another country, so definitely number of applications are available nowadays online. One of my favorite is a Wise application. You can use this one, but if you are choosing key currency, so this is a process to send money one country to another country. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.